as she's heading for the chair, you can add the cue. I mean, we're moving along and
It's a cute.
pause up.
Pause up.
Mm-hmm.
Pause up.
Click when her pause hit the chair.
You just ain't to look at her face. Don't get me.
Now add the cue again.
Pause up. Pause up. She does that thing. Look at me. It just,
I know.
She does a leap. Pause up.
Now back yourself up a little bit more. Cue. Continue with the verbal cue and make your hand
Pause
less
it.
and less obvious.
Pause up.
Yeah, if you click before she starts putting her hind legs up there, that would be helpful.
Pause up.
Excellent. Okay, now according to steps, when you get to